welcome back to my channel. Future me, present me. This is actually present us. We have been back from the wedding for a few days now, and now you're going to go back in time to see everything that has happened behind the scenes. We actually were just vlogging through the process of planning our wedding, not like very in detail, but a lot of the decisions that we were making, shopping, going to see outfits, like finalizing. You're going to see all of that. We're planning to do about 6 episodes, so I'm very excited. But I just wanted to give like an introduction to the series that you're about to watch. A lot of you had suggested that I record the whole thing and share it post the wedding, so that's what I'm doing. Thank you so much for all your lovely wishes so far. We've been going through all your messages, your comments, and there's just too much love to take in, so we're very grateful. But I hope you really like enjoy. It's entertaining for you, this series, and have fun. Let me know what you think in the comments. Bye.
Steve, याद है वो?
कौन सा स्टीव? अच्छा हाँ, तो गंदा टुडू किया है।
यार मैं को ये सब मैंने सुनता हूँ, मुझे याद रहेगा जो। अभी हम फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी पे हैं। This is what she is saying.
It's so hot. April, we are dying because it's so hot. We're still doing recce, still looking at properties, and we are very hungry at this point and very sleepy. I haven't had coffee today, but we've actually lost Addy and we're trying to find him. I don't know where he is.
Like the beauty and the lights with the balcony and everything. Kind of like a good.
So he's saying it. जो ऊपर होता है उसमें balcony है, जो नीचे उसमें बांटा हुआ है, उसे एक तरह का।
Number 1. Recce. Not finding properties, baby.
वहाँ पे वो यहाँ पे रात से दोस्तों के चिल करेगा ना, वहाँ सबके सामने क्या करेगा? आग बंद कर लेना।
Guess what day it is? Finally, I'm going for trials. I have, what is the date today? 27th August, and I have not seen a single outfit, not visited any stores, not done any trials, and this is the first day that I'm actually going. We're just waiting for Isha to come.
Why is she so confused as if she doesn't know the car?
Yeah, bro. So Isha and Khushi are there. It's showing 20 minutes now.
Wow.
From here.
When we go to the Juhu one?
Yeah.
Perfect. मुझे लगा बैंड्रा जा रहे हैं.
Nahi, I thought we'll do Juhu first. Like,
And then we can go ahead.
Yeah, then we can go ahead. We'll see how much time we have and stuff. But today actually is the first day of Ganpati, and that's why we chose to leave in the afternoon, because subah everybody brings their murti and stuff. This year we have actually cut down on the Ganpati celebration because all of this happening. And I'm very, I don't know, I don't have anything specific in mind, but we just thought that we'll go and see what options are there basically.
And we've chosen a
She's
very
just there
good
in
day.
the background. I'm so sorry.
We've chosen a very good day for the trials. It's Ganpati's first day. Well, it is auspicious, but it's also very
Yeah.
trafficked.
No, but we've gotten out at a good time because
Yes,
everybody's
yes.
taken their murti
अभी
and
सब
gone
पे
home.
घर पे आ गए. अब सब लोग मेरे
Yeah,
बाजू.
Addy is also coming. He asked me, he's like, should I come? And I was like, yeah, because I'm not going to finalize anything. We're just going to see
Yeah.
things. I should be finalizing things, but we haven't seen anything yet. So we're just going to take a round. And I think they'll have men's options also, like men's wear. Try mat karna, but dekh to sakta hai na.
He's just stuck with one option only. He doesn't want to look also for anything else.
Yeah, and he's saying I'm gonna see things in November.
For
What?
December.
What fairy world is this?
कोई बेटी नहीं आई भाई.
For a December first week wedding. Not even end of December.
Yeah, that's why we're thoda this thing, because we can't count December as like part of the timeline.
We can't
December's
even count
out.
End of November.
Yeah, because first I was like, oh, there's 4 months left, but December is not included, so it's just 3 months. I think mainly today I need to find out what
What's happening?
Yeah, and what like price ranges, what time frame people will take to deliver stuff. So that is also there, like how much time they take to get an outfit ready. We need to ask all these questions today. Haldi types.
How is the weight?
What do you all think, guys? Do you all like it?
No.
Yes and no.
He doesn't know. She looks like she's weighed down by the dupatta. Addy's team red.
Team red. Team red.
Second location. We're going to try. This is what I've picked out. Teal color. But let's see. I don't know. This is an outfit that we really liked, keeping the decor in mind, because my decor is white and blue, but I'm confused.
So one way was the way I showed you, and the second way is this way. Something different.
Should I hold now?
I don't know if you can see, but this is two-toned. It's stunning, but at the same time, like, is it a nude color?
The dupatta is a good material. The way it's fitting.
Oh yeah. Very nice.
So dupatta is a 2 patchwork like organza and tissue both.
Tissue also.
Yeah.
मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है कलर बहुत.
है ना?
मेरे को ये अच्छा लगा.
ये इसमें आप लोग को जो ये रखो.
Wah wah
Can
Ram
you
ji.
turn towards us? हाँ, pants. Perfect.
Yeah.
And wait.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
This looks really nice.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. This is actually my this honey.
This is beautiful.
I'm confused now. What if your जिंदगी में रेडी पहना तो ब्राइड के दिन में पहनी है?
Contrasting to what I thought, because I thought it was the ivory gold and
We thought it'll be wow because
Yeah.
it's ivory gold.
yeah.
But I
But
don't
red
know,
is suiting more.
Somehow even from this angle is looking too like busy on you.
Yeah. What I knew, like once we try the darker colors
Yeah,
and then
then
go
the
to this,
ivory is-
then
yeah.
everybody feels like
Dark is working
not
more.
Working. Yeah.
You like so.
We've done how many places? We went to Purnia, we went to Manish Malhotra, we went to Masaba, and now we are going to Tarun. Last place for today.
Yeah.
Done. What is your final thoughts?
First day.
First day thoughts.
The darker colors
until
are
now.
working
Yeah.
more.
That's what we figured, because darker colors are suiting my skin tone more, which is what we wanted to see in trials also, because I didn't think that I would wear a dark color. But now when I'm trying like pastels and ivory and cream colors and all, they are looking as if they blend with my skin. So it's looking flat on me, and darker colors are kind of bringing out, I don't know what, but it's looking good.
They're bringing out your complexion
Yeah,
and your body.
it's flattering on me.
Standing out.
Standing out. It's bringing out complexion. There's one outfit we liked in Manish Malhotra where we couldn't take videos or pictures, but it was an olive green velvet blouse and it looked so beautiful. But it's for 13.5, which I don't think I can spend that much on an outfit, which I will probably wear only once. Matlab, after spending so much, I would have to wear it everywhere, every day. I don't think it's worth it. The other stuff I liked. Masaba wala lehengas I liked. But मेरा blue को लेके वही है थोड़ा सा कि red is, of course it's not, you can't go wrong only with it. वैसा वाला outfit था वो. But for blue I'm थोड़ा this thing कि is it too हटके?
Blue is not
People will
दुल्हन.
be like थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर दिया है.
Blue is not दुल्हन at all. मेरे को नहीं पता.
I think speak to this one or your stylist,
Yeah.
and then let's understand what she has to say.
Yeah.
सब लोग ने तो नहीं बोल ही दिया है. मतलब
Like keep
मैंने
हाँ,
options
क्या बोला है?
open abhi. Don't tie yourself to anything
Yeah.
and keep it only the
But
first day.
everyone's like I'm late and अभी ये last 2-3 दिन बचे हैं उसमें final करना पड़ेगा तो. And one guy that Purnia में तो said कि तरुण तो ले भी नहीं रहा है अभी.
मतलब but depends ना तेरा
let's
customization
see.
कितना है.
Yeah.
But अभी थोड़ा हाँ buckle up तो करना पड़ेगा. Because everyone needs time to work on the outfits. Minimum of 3 months.
Yeah. We are at Falguni and Shane trying some options from here. We're just shortlisting stuff. I don't know if I can take pictures here, but let's see. Everyone has to tell what their favorite outfit was from today. Only Rahul Mishra, we couldn't take any pictures and videos. Secretly, I was taking pictures. I mean, how else am I supposed to see myself and make a decision if I don't take my own picture?
I don't know. I don't let you take pictures, but
Yeah, these are public designs that they've posted. Just answer the question.
what's the question?
What is the favorite outfit from today?
Start.
Addy first. Addy, I think will say
कुछ
nothing.
favorite नहीं था.
Addy's been disappointed all day.
Addy was एक red लहंगा ढूंढ रहा है.
नहीं, I think वो अच्छा था बहुत.
गौरव गुप्ता.
नहीं आएगी.
मैं बताती हूँ फाल्गुनी एंड शेन का corset.
हाँ, वो अच्छा था.
फाल्गुनी शेन का golden वाला.
Golden corset हाँ उसका reaction was very
Okay.
nice.
Yeah, even I like that. And
Black वाला भी अच्छा था जो अभी लास्ट वाला.
राहुल
थोड़ा
मिश्रा
different
का.
लग रहा था.
Next, anyone else has any favorites?
I would say the Rahul Mishra gold cocktail outfit.
Rahul Mishra gold cocktail. Yeah.
The gown. Huh?
Yeah.
The gown, yeah.
Isha is also there.
Hey, hello. Hi.
What are
Tell
yours?
Isha your favorite.
Mine also, I think the Rahul Mishra golden
Gold.
enchanted wala gown, and also the corset.
That Addy said.
Yeah,
Oh.
that. हाँ, वो वाला also I like golden वाला.
Okay.
I think for me, Rahul Mishra का white lehenga.
The floral one.
Okay, the floral.
White अच्छा राहुल मिश्रा गौरव
गुप्ता का लहंगा
मैं वही बोलने वाली थी none of you all said that yet
गौरव गुप्ता का लहंगा
हाँ.
व्हाइट वाला
हाँ
फिर गौरव गुप्ता का गाउन भी था ना जो हम लोग को तूने सेकंड
Yeah. Pink color का.
It's not every brand. It's one outfit that you like the most.
Yeah, I know.
You wore
So
it
then-
brand का favorite one.
नहीं मेरे को और एक बोलना है
Shit,
मैं
light
अपने
चली गई.
दिमाग में ये कर रही हूँ और लास्ट में अभी राहुल मिश्रा का गोल्डन कॉकटेल गाउन
Okay, got it. I'm still very confused, but most outfits that I tried today and all outfits that we picked out to try were all tube corset top, tube gown. Everything was no shoulder or off shoulder because that looked the most flattering. But we can't choose that same style for every function. So that is just day 2.
Out of 5, at least 2 we can do na, but off shoulder.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
I actually like the Puneet Balana outfit also.
Yeah.
The red Puneet Balana outfit also I really liked.
The
But I feel
corset
like
and
it's
the
that
a
is
little bit more for you.
Yeah. Like I think my problem is I'm liking more wedding guest looks rather than bridal looks because I've
you are a neutral is it
yeah the
Bridal
bridal
looks.
ones are so heavy and also so uncomfortable and not practical. इतना लंबा लंबा ट्रेल लेके where you roam.
like you pay 6 lakhs so that you cannot walk properly
Yeah, and be uncomfortable and irritated.
yeah
No, thank you.
That's the price of fashion.
like
Beauty is pain.
Guess what, guys? We missed our flight. I'm supposed to fly to Delhi tonight for wedding trials, but we missed our flight because of Mumbai traffic. Our tickets have gone to waste.